What's up, adventurers? Today we're going to be checking out another backpack. This is Mission Workshop's Rhake bag. It might be pronounced differently, but Rhake? This is going to be my first time interacting with this bag, so it's going to be very hands-on, and I'm going to be discovering the features with it alongside you guys. Beautiful bag, a lot of straps, a lot of features that we're going to be checking out. The material is nice quality. It is a weatherproof bag. Let's start on the back. We got the kind of standard mesh pads to give you a little bit of airflow and circulation. You have a couple straps here with a sternum clip, sternum belt. And on the straps, there are places you can definitely attach or latch things on. The pads itself are not super thick, but comfortable. So there's no plushness to the straps, but at the same time, they don't feel too thin or cheap. They're nice and wide. They give you a little bit of padding. Very solid. They have a good structured feel to them, which is nice. There is a handle on the back, on the top here. What's interesting is inside there is some sort of tubing to give it a cylindrical feel, so that when you're holding it, it does feel more like a handle rather than just kind of a strap that's hanging off there. And you can mount it onto your suitcase through this little carry-on strap thingy. All right, let's continue to cycle around. We have what I assume is the laptop section. There you go. Nice and big. Should fit up to 17-inch laptops. On the flip side, there is a kind of hidden pocket here. Oh, that's a nice touch. Okay, so I was reaching in the hidden pocket and was like, what is my hand getting stuck on? There is a little mesh thing that pops out of the pocket so that, you know, if you have anything valuable in there and you accidentally leave it open a little bit, it almost has kind of a safety net for it. There is a chance you may be able to hold a water bottle there too, actually, now that I'm looking at it, because there are no actual water bottle straps on the side, but this. Let me grab a bottle. Yep, there you go, look at that. That is interesting. I've never seen that design before. Moving to the front of the bag. All right, there's a lot going on here. We have a zippered pocket at the bottom. This is a separate compartment completely to keep anything that you want to keep separate that might be dirty. It looks like it's for shoes, although it could be a little small, depending on how big your shoes are. I would definitely throw some climbing shoes in here. That'd be nice. Now across on the top front, there's this little flap. It doesn't really hold down in any way, but it just kind of naturally falls. And under that, there's another zippered section. So let's see what's in there. Okay, so this is deep. It goes about this deep on the backpack, and it's just kind of an open area for you to pack anything away that you need easy access to. Now in the front, this has been what's most intriguing to me because I have no idea what to expect on the inside. There are two buckles. I'm gonna undo these buckles right here. And behind each buckled section is a zippered section. So it's kind of got this like double security of the zipper, but then the buckle as well. It also gives it a very specific aesthetic. Okay, so the zipper runs just in an L form. When you open it up, on one side, it's kind of just this open area that you can keep random stuff in. The more I look at this, the more I want to use it for climbing, because I can keep very like specific items in here. I have, you know, we have a light for climbing at night. We also have some walkies that we use. You could easily keep that stuff separate with these little zippered sections. And the left side, oh, okay, so this one opens fully. Doesn't open like an L. Now, when this is open fully, let me scoot in closer, there are a few pockets. You have two mesh pockets here. You have the third mesh pocket here. On top of these two mesh pockets, there's just an open pocket. And then you have a little carabiner key holder thing. So day to day, I would probably use this for cables or anything of that sort. For climbing, it might be nice because we can throw in some of our tape and you know, just small items, nail clipper, things like that we need on us. All right, on the top, it is a roll top. So I'm gonna unclip this. And my guess is the inside is just a giant bucket. but I could be wrong. All right, I am kind of right, kind of wrong. Inside, large giant bucket. They say 22 liters, but this seems bigger than that. And there is a zippered section right on the inside that runs all the way down the back. Almost looks like it's for a water bladder, but I don't see any sort of exit for the hose. But it does run kind of this entire gamut on the inside with a zipper access here. And there's a nice little tag and reminder that this is made in the USA product, which is nice if you're looking to support businesses that make things in the country. And when you unroll the top, there's also revealing this, which I don't know what this is. Huh? Okay, I think I got it. There's Velcro running along the back of this, the top flap here. And when you're rolling it, you know, you don't actually have to you don't need it, you don't have to access it, because you could just close off the top and put this in. But if you do fill it up all the way, you still want to be able to close this somehow. And so this Velcro comes off, and then you can close off the top that way to give it a little extra protection before you latch this. It's a cool bag. It has some nice touches to it. It has a lot of organization. Definitely picture somebody, you know, if you're commuting, this works well. You could carry your office stuff, your laptop, but also organize all the different items that you need, as well as such a big bucket that's expandable if you are carrying more stuff that day or whatnot. For me, I think the best application is going to be for climbing, just because I can use that separate section for climbing shoes, but also put all my clothes and stuff inside and still have easily accessible items for what I need when I'm at the boulder. For traveling, I wouldn't use it so much, just because we carry camera gear and there's no easy way to access the camera gear or to really pack it in here. Now, if you don't carry camera gear, cool bag. Something you should definitely consider as kind of your supplement to a suitcase, just to carry your day-to-day necessities. It'll be a good day pack as well. I'm going to link to this in the description below if you want to check out more details. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments below, and if there are any other bags you want me to check out, let me know there as well. Otherwise, happy adventuring.